In this video, we are going to learn a prose from Unit 1, Exploring Space. Unit 1, Exploring Space. The title of the prose is Earth, the Desolated Home. Earth, the Desolated Home. Can you name some planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Earth is also a planet, right? How many planets are there in the solar system? Yes, 8 planets. 8 planets are there in the solar system. In which planet do we live? We live on Earth. We live on Earth. Can you name the red planet? Which is called the red planet? Yes, Mars. Mars is called the red planet. In this lesson, we are going to learn about desolated Earth. Desolated Earth. What do you mean by desolate? What do you mean by desolate? Something which make a place unhappy and empty. Something which make a place unhappy and empty. In this story, the earth was desolated. That means the earth was completely destroyed. Now we are in 2021, right? Students, imagine the year 2068. 2068. Humans had completely destroyed the earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. Which is the red planet? Mars, right? Humans, they have completely destroyed the earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. That means humans move on the planet Mars to settle in. In Mars, India established 3 colonies. Among those 3 colonies, Arvimadi's family was living in one such colony. Arvimadi's family was living in one such colony. It was Arvimadi's birthday. In order to meet Arvimadi, grandfather travelled more than 1500 kilometers. When he reached Mars, he saw Arvimadi was sleeping in her capsule. What do you mean by capsule? Yes, a small cylinder-shaped bed, right? This is capsule. Arvimadi was sleeping. So, grandfather told, "Wake up, Arivu." On hearing this, Arvimadi was woken up and she was surprised to see her grandpa. She thought that grandpa won't come for her birthday. But he came, so it was a great surprise for her. Then grandfather asked, "Don't you know about the dust storm of Mars?" What do you mean by dust storm? Sandstorm, okay? This is dust storm, okay? Sometimes this storm continues for 1 month in Mars. But this time the dust storm didn't continue for long days. So that only grandfather reached Mars on time. If there is dust storm, he couldn't reach on time. Even though it had taken 3 souls to reach Mars. What do you mean by soul? Soul is a Martian day, okay? Soul is a Martian day. In Earth, we call it as day. But in Mars, we call it as soul, okay? Then they both went to harvest the vegetables from the vegetation hab. This is vegetation hab, okay? In the hab, he pointed out the carrots and told that these carrots are not tasty like the carrots that they ate during their childhood. Arvimadi asked Grandpa, "Why do you say so?" Grandfather explained her that the vegetables on the earth were so tasty. but the vegetables on the Mars were not so tasty. Then Arvimadi asked him, how did they grow the crops and vegetables on the earth? On hearing this question, grandfather was very sad. Why was he sad? Yes, now the earth is no more. He is missing the earth, right? Then he said that the earth had fertile soil. So, the fruits and vegetables harvested from the earth were very tasty and healthy. On hearing this, Arivamadi told that she learned humans used chemical fertilizers for cultivation and polluted the soil. Also, she thought that food and water that they get on Mars were free from pollution. Grandfather laughed for this and told that fruits, vegetables, and water on Mars is not the same on the earth. In Mars, they get water by burning fuels. In Mars, they get water by burning fuels. But on Earth, they get water from rain. On Earth, they get water from rain, and it was free. Life on Earth was very easy. That means we can survive on Earth very easily. But life on Mars was very difficult. It's difficult to survive on Mars. In Earth, people no need to wear spacesuit or oxygen cylinder. But in Mars, they have to wear a spacesuit or oxygen cylinder. Okay. Also, years are longer in Mars when compared to Earth. In the Earth, 365 days make a year. 365 days make 1 year. Okay. But in Mars, 687 days. That means 687 souls make a year. 687 souls make 1 year. Okay. In Earth, 24 hours make a day. But on Mars, 24 hours, 39 minutes, 35 seconds make 1 soul. That means days are longer in Mars and shorter in Earth. Okay. Grandfather told that if Arvimadi is on Earth, she will be 18 years old because the years are shorter on Earth, right? Now, Grandpa was thinking about their home. That means he was thinking about the earth where they had lived in. He worried a lot because they have destroyed their home and now they are trying to make Mars as their home. Arivimadi looked at him and told him not to worry, Grandpa, because the scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. What do you mean by terraform? A process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to humans. That means the scientists are trying to change the surface and climatic condition of Mars suitable for humans. But grandfather told that no other planet can be equal to Earth. That means we cannot compare any planet to the Earth. Again, he told that Earth is our home. Earth is our home. Later, they started to celebrate the birthday of Arvimadi. This is the end of this chapter. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.